So right. I go deep in it. I go deep space.
So, today, I have no idea what the fuck we're gonna remake at all. I'm gonna listen to some songs right now. I'm a little nervous, okay? I haven't made a video in like a long time, I think. I don't even know, bro. I've been lost in space and time. But I'm here right now. I probably look crazy. I'm gonna show you guys some of my likes on Spotify and let's see which one I feel like making. Oh, this song is sick, dude. We might just have to do this one. Just fuck it. I love this song.
Roll with the top down. With my niggas and your bitch. Roll with the top down.
Okay, so we're gonna do that first drop. We gotta figure out the fucking tempo first. It's looking like 120.
Kind of shit.
So usually MP3s have like a super silent part. They just do that when they render. I hold shift and scroll to get rid of that shit.
Top down.
That shit's so hard. Okay, kicks. This is a sample pack I was working on for my Miami trip.
Niggas and your bitch.
Damn, that fits so well.
Top down.
Okay, and then we have like a shaker fucking hi-hat type thing. Damn, my drums come in and it's like completely different. What the? All right, this is original. And then with the drums, I just put. Yeah, so I wasn't gonna release this pack because I wasn't happy with the song that I was making with it, but fuck it, I'm just gonna release it. Let's get into the bass line. I just downloaded this free plugin. I've been really into this type of music right now. A kick and a bass and a vocal. Me and my buddy actually made this song.
Girl, don't play with me. You know I take you out this club. Girl.
The synthesizer that I used was this cheap ass free plugin, Nightlife, and it has the worst sounds ever. Like I really don't like them, but fuck it. Let's try to see if we can make it work. Let's write the MIDI down first. It's all we need really is the flow, that dun dun dun, the dun dun, and that flow comes from this shit. Let's find a sound that sounds a little bit cooler. Yeah. I'm gonna turn on this flow shit right here. Not this flow. What is this? This knob right here that kind of like move, swing, the swing knob. And you got that like single chord that is probably the same fucking note. So let's try that. Let's just duplicate this shitty ass plugin. So it's just like one long ass shit. And I guess we should go with pads. Kind of has a vibe. Sidechain this bitch. And then I gotta put this through like a filter like this. So this bass sound obviously needs to be like better. So I'm gonna put Saturn 2. So I'm gonna turn up the drive. I need a vocal. You feel me? Let's go into these motherfucking packs.
I go deep in it. I go deep space.
All right, so we're gonna put some delay.
Deep space.
You can use any delay plugin, but I'm gonna use Comeback Kid, and I'm gonna automate it to just do it on the last word.
Deep in it. I go deep space.
Seems to me like the intro is just like a radio filter over the whole fucking mix. So we're gonna just drag this over here. And then we're gonna copy and paste this motherfucking shit over here. And then we're gonna put a fucking thing on the master. What'd I put? This. And let's put the radio one. I'm confused. There's no fucking drums, you big dummy. I have an idea. Oh, yeah. Gonna get deep in there. First fucking try, let's go.
Yeah.
Sounds like a demon. Let me like not pitch it down.
Yeah.
Let's put something on the master just to make it really loud.
So right. Top down.
Damn, I forgot that little ding that I don't even know what that ding is, bruh. just a random ass sound from Hybrid Bass Volume 2. We're gonna just put it there and just fucking put some reverb on it.
Deep in it, deep space. Deep in it, deep space.
Alright. Just leaving literally like little tiny notes that fucking small will give it that slap feel. Like,
That's right. So right. I go deep in it. I go deep space. Deep in it. I go deep space.
I know that this style of music is different than what you've seen in the channel before, but if you did like it, make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this video and I can make more stuff like this. Project is available for my Patreons, so consider becoming a Patreon, and I'll see you guys on the next.
Deep in it, deep space. I go deep in it.